Holy shit, look at that, we're on fire. And we're coming back at you with some more Street Bob content. It's about 100 degrees outside today, and I figured I'd take you guys around PCH, show you what it's like. It's summertime in California, and not everybody's got these kinds of opportunities, so let's go out there and show you guys what it looks like. PCH, Neptune's Net, all the good canyons around here. So stick around. I ain't got any fancy mounts for my GoPro, but I'll show you guys what the rides are like, and it's gonna be a sick one out there today. Let's do it. I'm gonna start this ride, but I forgot the most important part. The most important thing of why you buy a Harley. Just start up, dude. What up? As you can see, we made it down to PCH. I don't have any of the gear right now, so the film was a little bit shaky. I hope y'all didn't mind. Hope you guys enjoyed the worst moto vlog ever. I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. You.